Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Xero. Today we are going to learn how to retrieve a specific code by its ID using the Xero API in the Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the API for that one. Okay, so let's copy this and we have to add over the specific code ID over here. Okay, so let's copy this, which code ID you want to get. So currently the code ID is this one, so we will going to fetch that code. Okay, so let's comment this and add this one over here. Okay, so code ID, so base URL is get codes code ID, headers you need to pass and retrieve code and fail to retrieve the code. Save this, and if you want to get the code ID, so this is our code ID over here in the top of it. So let's copy this code ID and paste this. Okay, so here you need to pass the code ID like this. Okay, save this, code ID is there. Let's hit the API. Unauthorized token expired. Let's renew the token. So here we go with the token part. So connect with this. So I think token is available. Okay, let's add this token over here. Okay, save this, scroll. Let's check now. So here you can see I want to update this code with the Q33 is here, right? So this is how you can fetch a specific code also with the help of the Node.js API, REST API Zero tutorial. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.